Welcome back. Did you know that if you cut a piece of aloe vera, remove its skin, and extract all the pulp, you've got yourself a complex organic polymer that helps all the nutrients and compounds in aloe vera penetrate deeper layers of the skin. And if you mix aloe vera pulp with fresh rosemary, you can create a potent natural shampoo capable of stopping hair loss, preventing gray hair, and promoting new hair growth. Rosemary inhibits dihydrotestosterone, the hormone that causes the miniaturization of hair follicles, leading to hair weakening and loss. Here's how to prepare it. Remove the leaves from 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary in a pot. Heat half a liter of water until it boils and add the rosemary leaves. Cook for 10 minutes over medium heat. Then strain directly into a blender and add the gel from a piece of aloe vera. Blend for 2 minutes and then strain the liquid. How to use it after washing your hair: apply a bit of this mixture to your scalp and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then rinse with plenty of water. Another option is to add this liquid directly to a half-full bottle of your shampoo. Mix it well and use it as a regular shampoo. From the moment you start using it, you'll notice your hair stops falling out. You will see less gray hair, and it will be stronger and fuller than ever. If you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 5 in the comments. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.